Well, welcome back to my morning pot analysis videos with me, Rich Market Analyst at Hantec Markets on Tuesday 19th of March. We're going to look at cable now, which has been choppy in the last last week or so, really. A little bit of a settling, interestingly, in the last few days on a closing basis. But what you've actually seen yesterday was an intraday bit of volatility surrounding the House of Commons once more on Brexit. Speaker Burko wading into the Brexit process, suggesting that the government cannot bring a third meaningful vote before Parliament unless there's substantial changes to the deal. So subsequently we've seen sterling a bit choppy, but nothing really in terms of direction. It's interesting that this is a relatively settled phase of trading actually in the last few days, trading between 32 broadly, 32 and 33. Yesterday's spike below 32 bounced pretty quickly off 31.80 and then sort of has settled back again. And you're sort of waiting, I think, for the European Union to make its decision on whether to extend Article 50 or not. Subsequently, we're seeing fairly flattening and benign technicals. And we could see that until now. It's possible. Well, you've got the Fed tomorrow, which brings a dollar aspect into it. But on a sterling side, I think you're likely to see sterling fairly settled until that EU 27 decision. Now, in terms of cable, breaking above 33 figure certainly improves the outlook once more. And below 32 figure just then brings into play all these 50 pip increments that I've been talking about. 50 pip increments of support. Zoom out, you can see them. You've got 32 figure initially, 31.50, another pivot area. Old support and resistance levels coming in consistently around 31.50. And then 31 figure, and again another old pivot, this dotted green line here. Then 30.50. Bit of a small basis of support, and then 31 figure psychological, but also a basis of support as well. So you've got some fairly hefty levels of support underneath, but for now the market is consolidating and probably waiting for further Brexit news. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.